Okay, this video is a refresher on three special cases. Okay, let's get started. So we have a distributive. We're going to start here. On the right side, we might want to note there's nothing else we can do. So we're going to bring that down. Negative 6 times n is negative 6n. Negative 6 times positive 3 is negative 18. And then we bring down that plus 3n. Well, now we've got a negative 6n and a positive 3n. Those two terms can be combined to be negative 3n. And then we bring down that subtract. Oh, well, look it. Those two things are the exact same things on both sides. So right there, you could say n is equal. And your teacher might want to see negative infinity to positive infinity, and that means the same as all reals. Or your teacher may want to see infinite solutions, so you might want to ask your teacher which one, but this would be one of the special cases where it's infinite solutions. All right, I do not know why I did not leave very much room there. I'm going to pause this for a second. Okay, that's better. I left some room. All right, we're going to go ahead. So we can bring down the negative 3p. Need to do the distributive. Negative 5 times p is negative 5p. Like terms. Negative 5 times 6, negative 5, multiply 6 is negative 30. On the right side, there's nothing we can do, bring them down. Well, now we can combine those terms right there. So now we've got negative 8p subtract 30 is equal to negative 33 subtract 8p. And right there you can stop and you could say, oops, I was going to say n again. P is equal, this is what I want you to notice. The variables are the same. The constants, the numbers by themselves, are different. When you have a situation like that, well, look at, if we were to start here and we were to add positive 8p, well, on both sides, the variables would zero out, and you would get negative 30 is equal to negative 33. That's not true. So as soon as you get to where the variables are the same on both sides, but the constants are different, right there in your solution set bracket, you can say no solution. You don't even have to keep solving. Well, you can ask your teacher, but most teachers will let you stop right there if you recognize. And then the third situation, okay, on the left side, and then on the right side, we're going to do the distributive. So 6n plus 2 times 2 is 4. Notice when the constants are the same, they will cancel each other out. And now you have 3n is equal to 6n. 3n is smaller. So notice when we subtract 3n both sides, and then when you divide by 3, n is equal to 0. So the reason why this is a special case, let me erase all of that now. And let me put back the plus 4. So right there, when you notice that the constants, I should have put the plus 4, since they're both positive 4, are the same. You could even say constants are the same. Then we know right away our variable is going to equal 0. All right, that's it for the three kind of exceptions.